And very good morning from Derby Zagreb. We are back again just to notify you that all the pigeons have been chipped. So the process has been finished and it will be published in a day or two. There is few pigeons that we don't know who they belong to, about 12 pigeons or so. So we will try to contact people or you let us know when you see your pigeons on a benzene system if this is your birds. So Derby Zagreb is almost ready for the serious stuff. We are getting pigeons ready for the trainings. They will start to work much harder now, and they will have to work and they will have to fly, yeah, because there's no more play. Yes. And also just to say, I was very impressed with the quality of pigeons this year in Derby Zagreb. The birds are in a top shape. They are much stronger than I expected them to be in this stage. They are really doing very well, and this is gonna be a real championship, big battle. There is so many top pigeons, very strong pigeons in a loft. It's unbelievable. We chipped over 1,700, about 1,730 pigeons, which is again about 9% loss, as the same as last year, which we are very proud of, because it's a much bigger number of pigeons in the loft this year in Zagreb. Yes. So get ready for the real stuff from Derby Zagreb. Good morning, champs. Are you ready for the big showdown? Yeah. Derby Zagreb champs for 2024. There are some birds like this one here. They are equipped with GPS dummy rings. It's 10 of them, and they are getting prepared to carry GPS rings to show us where these champs are really flying. Hello guys, good morning. So we choose 10 pigeons to carry dummy rings, like this one also. This is our own pigeons. Big white thing on their feet, they're getting used to it, and I hope they'll manage to show us what we want. I evo malo na hrvatski, samo da kažemo da su svi golubovi čipirani, da sam jako iznenađen sa kvalitetom golubova na derbiju ove godine, sa jako korektnim, fizički jakim golubovima. Golubovi su jako svileni, u super su stanju i nadam se da će nam pružiti ono što zahtijevamo od njih. Hey champs, are you ready? Znači, svi golubovi su čipirani, imamo 10 golubova sa dummy GPS prstenovima koji će se priviknuti da nose te velike bijele prstenove i nadamo se da će izdržati do kraja. Da, Derby Zagreb 2024. godina, preko 1700 golubova je čipirano, što je jedno 9% gubitaka, čak možda i manje nego prošle godine, i jako smo zadovoljni. Da, evo, veliki pozdrav od mene sa Derbija Zagreb i idemo delat kak se veli. Više nema zezanja. Big regards from Derby Zagreb. and we are going to work hard now. There's no more play. Thank you. Hvala vam i ugodan dan vam želimo. Pozdrav!